We will import an example heterogeneous architecture topology to begin with, then build and expand upon it. First, go to Performance and import performance data. Select CMN-S3. Choose CMN-S3R2 IO Hub 1SC reads only example.zip and click Open. Then click OK once it's imported. This sample project will now be shown in the Project Explorer with the two different CMN-Cyprus configurations and their multi-mesh performance data. Double-click on this multi-chip performance data to display the Overview tab, where you can see the target CMN-Cyprus configuration references. You can also view the list of existing performance data instances of each of the CMN-Cyprus configuration references. Next, let's go to the layout page. Delete the existing CML links using this red X symbol or press the delete key. Double-click on this CC instance. Navigate to System Address Maps, CPA Groups. Change the number of CCGs to 2. Close the CC performance data. Save. OK. Coming back to the Layout tab, use the right-click context menu option to copy the CC instance on the layout canvas. To add new CML links, click on this connection icon and connect the CCGs as follows. To set the SC as a hub, right-click on this mesh, select Set as Hub. Its color changes to indicate the hub mode. By keeping everything else as default, we jump directly to the Test Cases tab. In Options, set the clock frequency for the second CC instance that we just created to be the same as the rest. And press OK. Finally, update the child traffic profiles for the second CC instance created as follows. Hit Run. OK. OK. Now wait for a few minutes. The progress and completion status of the test run is displayed in the console. Any errors that occur are, wherever appropriate, flagged in the appropriate project screen. If the test run is completed successfully, you can view the test results. Results from the last execution of a test case can be viewed as a set of statistics in tabular form. When test results for a test case are shown on the Results tab, the same results are also shown graphically on the Results Context tab. The Results Context tab provides a graphical view of test results using a simplified view of the devices, crosspoints, and crosspoint connections defined in the architecture for the target interconnect. The results context uses the same layout as the canvas interface, which is used to create and edit the CMN IP configuration. Using the same layout provides a common context and makes it easier to identify components. Crosspoint connections are shown as lines. The value of the currently selected statistic, as defined on the link filter, is shown in the middle of the line. If the connection has no value for that statistic, the circle and its contents are grayed out. Navigation and search controls are provided above the canvas. You can pan around the canvas and zoom in and out. Similarly, we can create another heterogeneous configuration with 4 CCs connected to each SC, with each CC having only one CCG in their respective CPA groups.